In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a word in Excel all at once. To get started, launch Excel on your device. Open it the same way you usually open any program on your computer. Once Excel starts, you will see the main Excel window with either a blank workbook template or a list of recent files. If a blank workbook appears automatically, do not worry, we will open the file you actually need in the next step. Now open an existing book. Click on the workbook that already has the data where you want to change a word. If you see a recent list, you can pick your file there, or you can browse through your folders until you find it. After the workbook opens, check that you can see the sheet with the words you want to update, and make sure it is the active sheet before you continue. With your workbook open, go to the Home tab. Look along the top of Excel for the ribbon where you see several tabs like Home, Insert, and Page Layout. Click on Home so that it is highlighted. When the Home tab is selected, you will see groups of commands like clipboard, font, alignment, and editing. We will use the editing group for the Find and Replace feature. From there, click Find and select. Look to the far right side of the Home tab ribbon. Inside the editing group, you should see an option labeled Find and Select. It might be a button with a small magnifying glass icon. Click that button once. After you click it, a menu will drop down with several choices related to searching in your sheet. Next up, choose Replace. In the menu that opened, click the option labeled Replace. When you do this, the Find and Replace dialog box appears, usually in the middle of your Excel window. It has two main fields and a couple of buttons at the bottom. If you ever only see a simple search box, check that you actually clicked Replace, not just Find. At this point, in the Find What box, type the exact word you want to change. Click inside the Find What field and carefully type the word exactly as it appears in your cells, including any spaces or spelling. Then move to the Replace With box and type your new word. This is the word that Excel will put everywhere it finds the original one. A useful tip here, Excel will replace whatever you type, even if it is inside a longer sentence, so double-check both words before you continue. With that ready, click Replace All. Excel will scan your current data and switch every match to the new word in one go. After a moment, a pop-up will appear telling you exactly how many changes Excel made, for example, how many cells were updated. When you see that message, you know the replacement is complete and you can close the message box and review a few cells to confirm the new word is showing correctly. You have now changed one word to another across your Excel workbook all at once. If this helped you clean up your sheet, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Excel tips like this.